Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error 0x8024200B while trying to download Windows updates on Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club, the link has been shared in the description section, or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the solutions. The first solution would be to delete temporary files from the system. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on this app for disk cleanup. Select every drive one by one. It would need a few seconds to calculate the space on your computer. Let's wait meanwhile. And then make sure that this option with temporary internet files is checked. Rest may or may not be, but this one with temporary internet files should be checked, and then click on OK. Select delete files. It will start cleaning your system. The next solution would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Update and Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, click on Additional Troubleshooters, go to Windows Update, click on Run the Troubleshooter. The third solution would be to flush the software distributions folder, or rather reset all Windows Update components, which is something that has been shared over a different article and a different video. Lastly, you can clear the background intelligence transfer service queue. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now copy the path mentioned here, the command line mentioned here in this article on the Windows Club, paste it, hit enter. This will clear the background intelligence transfer service queue, and this should resolve the problem in discussion. But if it still persists, then please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.